Hi, I'm Jayne from Poppy Patchwork and welcome to my quilt block series. In each of these videos I'm going to show you how to make a different block and they're all going to measure 12 inches. I hope you like this video. If you do, click the like button and please let me know in the comment section below what other videos you'd like me to make. Let's get quilting.
Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make Courthouse steps block. This will make a 12-inch block. You will need in the background fabric one 3.5-inch square, in fabric A you're going to need two 2-inch by 12.5-inch strips, two 2-inch by 9.5-inch strips and two 2-inch by 6.5-inch strips. In fabric B you're going to need two 9.5-inch strips, two 2-inch by 6.5-inch strips and two 2-inch by 3.5-inch strips. Go straight to block layout. Press your strips and lay in the block layout. Pin the 3.5-inch strips on the left and right of the 3.5-inch centre square. Sew with the 1/4-inch seam and press to the darker fabrics. Trim if required. Use a scant 1/4-inch seam and you may need to do less trimming and the block should finish at 12.5 inches. Next, add the 6.5-inch strips in fabric A. Pin and sew with the scant 1/4-inch seam. Press, then add the 6.5-inch strips in fabric B. Sew with the scant 1/4-inch seam. Press, then add the 9.5-inch strips in fabric A. Sew with a scant 1/4-inch seam. Press, then add the 9.5-inch strips in fabric B. Sew with a scant 1/4-inch seam. Press, then add the 12.5-inch strips in fabric A. Sew with a scant 1/4-inch seam. Give your block a final press. Congratulations, you have made the Courthouse steps block.
Want to learn more? Watch another one of my videos from the quilt block series. Click above to go to my playlist. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. More of these videos will be posted, so please tune in. Thank you for watching and bye for now.